I'm Dr. Sharjeel and you're watching my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel at the end of the video. Now today's video is about how to prepare insulin eye drops for topical use in neurotrophic keratopathy with persistent epithelial defects in non-healing ulcers. Now as you know that ready-made insulin eye drops are not available commercially anywhere, so you need to prepare it from insulin vial. Now one vial contains 10 ml of solution and 1 ml solution contain 100 international units of insulin. Now ophthalmologists have tried topical concentrations of insulin 1 international unit per ml of artificial tears up to 100 international units per ml of lubricant with good results and with no severe adverse effects. So different ophthalmologists have different preparations, but I prefer the solution, the concentration between 15 to 20 international units per ml for neurotrophic ulcers. So today I would like to tell you how to prepare it. The things you need one disposable 5 ml syringe, regular insulin, 10 ml vial and 10 ml artificial tears bottle. Now if you put 2 ml insulin in 10 ml artificial tears, now it will make it 200 international units in 12 ml solution, or roughly 18 to 20 international units per ml. Now refrigerate it and it can be used for 2 weeks, 4 to 6 times daily. I prefer 6 times dosage, and as it can escape the systemic circulation through nasolacrimal duct, so beware of hypoglycemia as a potential side effect. So I hope now you have learned how to prepare topical insulin drops for neurotrophic keratopathy. Thank you very much.